We've left these Niwaki shears in somebody's garden for a month and they've gone all rusty and dirty, so I'm going to clean them up. I'm going to be using the Niwaki Cremate. You can use it with camellia oil or you can use it with a few splashes of water. Just giving them a quick wipe to get the surface dirt off, and I'll undo them. Super shiny, and obviously that's the inside, but that's compared to the old one. That's the reverse side. Cool. So I'm going to finish this side, and then I'm going to do the handle, which is a little bit dirty as well, and then pop it back together. Finished.